You walking upon the surface of the earth have never been separate from the sky. The same invincible forces that hold planets in orbit is the same invincible force that is holding your life together. Science calls this gravity. We, within Ansada, we call it the unity consciousness. Everything that exists is drawn towards everything else. Attraction is not romance. It is physics woven with spirit. When you love, when you grieve, when you pray, you are altering the gravitational field of the universe. In Ansada, we teach that gravity is not weight. It is belonging and longing. The cosmos itself is in love with you, pulling you back to your source or back to your divinity. The more awakened you become, the lighter your body feels because the soul begins to remember it was never trapped by flesh. During initiation, when the fire moves through your spinal cord, this truth becomes sensation. Many feel their feet dissolving, their crown energy center stretch into the sky. The fields around them adjust. You begin to feel your entire being suspended between heaven and earth, rooted and free. Religion calls this the rapture. Physics calls this the 0 point. We in Ansada, we call it the equilibrium of the gods. The great deception of this age is separation. Politics divide people. Belief systems divide spirit from matter. Religion divides spirit from matter. The fire burns that lie away. It reminds you that matter itself is condensed light, and light obeys attraction. When the fire stabilizes within your being, your presence starts to bend reality the way mass bends space. Even gravity towards your purpose is achieved. People, opportunities, synchronicities, all of these things orbit in the new field you radiate. You stop chasing and you start attracting. Life starts aligning itself. And the gap or the space between spirit and matter becomes shortened. You may feel the instant repercussions of an action that is not in line with your spirit. You may feel it as a very unfortunate experience because after initiation, the gap between cause and effect becomes very short. This is the hidden teaching behind every miracle. That is the mastery of spiritual gravity. Ansada is the art of remembering that gravitational pull, learning to move not by effort, but by resonance. When your inner and outer world synchronize, gravity becomes what is known as grace. If these words feel heavy within your being, it is not weight, it is remembering. You are remembering who you are. The fire is calling you from an atomic level to come back home. Step into the current. Let the universe move through you now.